Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Notion for turning learning into LinkedIn posts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Notion for your learning journey, first, visit the Notion website. On the home page, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, check your inbox for a verification email. Follow the instructions in that email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Notion website and log in. Now that you are logged in, you will see a blank workspace. To add a new page for your learning notes, click on New Page on the sidebar. Give your new page a title related to the subject you want to learn. You can choose to add text, images, or links to enhance your notes. Use the different blocks available to organize your content effectively. To create a habit of turning your learning into LinkedIn posts, set a reminder in your calendar. After each learning session, summarize key points from your notes. Draft your LinkedIn post using the information from your Notion page. Make sure to include personal insights and experiences to engage your audience. When your post is ready, copy it from Notion. Now, go to your LinkedIn account. Start a new post and paste the content you copied. Add relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Finally, click on Post to share your insights with your LinkedIn network. By following these steps, you can seamlessly turn your learning into engaging LinkedIn posts using Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.